Hello, students. Today we will talk about 7 forms of verbs. Yes, 7 forms of verbs, in which I have included all the types of verbs, all the forms of verbs. So, firstly, we will talk about base form of verb, which is zero form of verb, like go, be, have, do, run, sit, take, talk, and learn. These are zero forms of verbs. From these only the other forms will be formed. Then we will talk about present form of verb, which is also called verb first form. These are of two types, singular and plural. One has S or ES, the another one is not with S and ES. For example, from go, we will make go or goes. From be, we will make is, am, are. From have, we will make has or have. From do, we will make do or does. From run, we will make run or runs. From sit, we will make sit or sits. From take, we will make take or takes. From talk, we will make talk or talks. From learn, we will make learn or learns. Then we will learn V2 verb second form, which is past form of verb. So from go, it becomes went, went. Then from be, it becomes was or were. From have, it becomes had. From do, it becomes did. Run turns into ran. Sit converts into sat. Take, took. Talk, talked. Learn, learned or learnt. Both works. Then there is V3 verb third form, which is past participle form of verb. So from go, we make gone. Be converts into been. Have converts into had. Do converts into done. Run is converted into run. Sit is converted into sat. Take is converted into taken. Talk is converted into talked. And learn is converted into learned or learnt. Both works here also. Then there is to infinitive form of verb. Here I have given this a name V4, although this name is not decided for this verb, but to conclude, to add it into the list, I have given it a name V4, but you have to learn it with this name. These are two infinitives. These are formed by adding 2 plus V0 or V or verb base form, which means from go we make to go, to be, to have, to do, to run, to sit, to take, to talk, to learn. These are called two infinitives. 2 plus infinite form means base form, two infinitives. Then comes present participle form. Here also I have given it V5 name, but this name is not decided for it. But to include it into this, I have given it this name. This is a combination of V0 and ing. That means we have to add ing with verb basic form. For example, from go, it will become going. From be, it will become being. From have, it will become having. From do, it will become doing. From run, it will become running. From sit, it will become sitting. From take, it will become taking. From talk, it will become talking. From learn, it will become learning. These are all present participle forms which we use in continuous tenses. Then comes V6 form. Here also I have given it V6 name just so that you keep it in your mind, or it becomes easy for you to remember, but you have to learn it from its name, which is called gerund. This is actually noun form of verb. This acts like a noun in a sentence. This is not actually a verb. This is a type of noun, you can say, because it acts like a noun in a sentence. This seems like present participle form, but this doesn't work as verb. This works as a noun. I will give you an example related to this, then it will be clear to you all. So it happens to be similar like these forms, present participle form, but the working of these forms are pretty different. So these forms can be like swimming. So here I am not converting these. Here I'm taking different words so that it becomes easier for you to understand. These are actually some names of some actions, naming words, because as we all know, nouns are naming words. So these are naming words. These are names of some actions like swimming, like smoking, like cleaning, sorry, cleaning, like bargaining, like learning, like talking, like waiting, like measuring. So these have ing in the end, and they seem like these verbs, but they do not act like these. For example, if we have a sentence, like here I'm writing the sentence. For example, we have a sentence, I love swimming. I love swimming. This is one sentence. Another sentence that I'm writing is, I am swimming. One more sentence I'm writing, swimming is my hobby. Okay, let's write this. Now, according to English rules, a sentence has a subject and a predicate, right? And predicate starts from verb. So here we can mark a break like this because this is our verb. Love, am, and is, these are our verbs. And in English, whenever we keep the predicate separate and before verb, if we put who or what, it answers as subject. And subject is always a noun or equivalent to noun. So if I ask like this, who loves swimming? The answer will be I. It means I is the subject, and as I told you, subject should be noun or equivalent to noun. So it means this is something like noun, which is pronoun. Here again, if I put who is swimming? Answer will be I. So I is noun or equivalent to noun, which is pronoun. Now here in this sentence, swimming is my hobby. What is my hobby? Swimming. Now, as I told you, this is a subject because it is answering the verb. What is my hobby? Swimming is my hobby. This is answering the verb. So as I told you, if you put what or who before the verb, it answers you subject, and subject is always noun or equivalent to noun. It means this is acting like a noun. This is not verb. This is acting like a noun. This is the name of something. So this is a gerund. A gerund can take place of object and subject as well. Now, come back to these two sentences again. Here in this sentence, I'm saying, I am swimming. Am plus swimming. This is a continuous tense. Now, in this sentence, I love swimming. This is a simple present tense. Here, love is in V1 form. This is my verb and this is my object. Now, as I told you, a gerund can take place of a subject and object also. This is also a gerund because this is a name of an action. This is not an action. This is name of something. And noun is always a name of something. This is acting like a noun. So this is not a verb. This is again a gerund. So these can be two places of gerunds. Here it is acting like a subject and here it is acting like an object, right? It seems like this. Both of these words are looking similar, but they have different meanings. Here it is saying to do swimming. This is an action. This is a name of an action. Wherever you are having a name of something, it is a noun. Wherever there is some action going on, it is a verb. Verbs are action words. Gerunds are nouns or naming words, you can say. So these two are the examples of gerunds, and this one is the example of verb or present participle, we can say. So I hope this lecture would be beneficial for you all, and I think most of us do not know about these forms of verbs, but as English teachers or as English students, we should keep these 7 forms in our minds so that we can teach our students also. If you have any kind of questions in your mind, you can ask me in the comments below. And one more thing, these present participle forms can act like adjectives also. Yes, can act like adjectives also. So these I will teach you in detail in another video. But for this video, I think this is enough. So these are the 7 forms of verb. This is zero form, base form of verb. This is first form, present form of verb. This is second form, past form of verb. This is third form, past participle form of verb. This is two infinitives, which are combination of to plus verb zero form. These are present participle form, which is combination of verb zero form and ing. This is gerund, which is combination of verb zero and ing. They too look same, but they too act differently in sentences. Thank you everyone, and let me know how was the video. Thank you so much.